viewers, welcome back in the video. So many animals are colored, red colored, beautiful animals, and here I have water tub with full with water and a basket. So let's watch the animals one by one. Wow guys, rhino washing in water tub. Wow, rhino is washed, beautiful rhino. So let's keep in basket. And next, wow, horse colored horse guys, beautiful horse, and wash it in the tub. Wow, the horse is washed and it keep in the basket. Okay. So guys, beautiful crab, beautiful. It is washing in the water tub. So wow, the crab is washed. So let's keep in the basket. And guys, duck, beautiful duck. It is washing in this tub. Wow, beautiful washed. It is washed. So it keep in the basket. And guys, next, wow, cock, beautiful cock. It is washed. Now it is washed. So let's keep in the basket. And guys, horse, beautiful horse, washed in the tub, beautiful colored. Wow guys, it has been washed. So let's keep in the basket. Okay. And next, elephant, washed in the tub. Elephant is washed. Let's keep in the basket. And next is buffalo. Buffalo washing in the tub. Now buffalo has tub washed. So let's keep in the basket. So guys, thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to also. Thank you.